Okay, here's a what's really something cool, which is you can now run Android apps on your Macintosh through a program called BlueStacks App Player, and it's free. It's in beta, and I just downloaded it, and it works on my 27-inch iMac here. One of the annoying things is you can't really expand it to fill up the whole screen, but that's okay. It still takes up a big chunk of the screen. And it gives you access to all sorts of Android apps and all sorts of Android stores. And you can look at, kids apps. You can look at the app stores. There's 3 app stores, the Amazon one, the Google one. You can look at news apps. It gives you top 25 apps. You can look at games. You can look at fashion apps. So it's very comprehensive, and it's, kind of easy. You just click on it. If it's free, you just downloaded it. Download the app that you want to play, and I did it, and it's pretty cool. I've got Angry Birds Space, and here I'm going to show you a little tutorial. Now it's great with the Magic Trackpad, and I'm going to play a game here, and with the Magic Trackpad, I just use my 2 fingers or 3 fingers to do this sort of swiping motion. I don't know how you would do this with just like a mouse. I guess you could, but it wouldn't be as fun. So I think the closest to a touchscreen smart tablet is to use the Magic Trackpad. So here I am aiming the Angry Birds, and I'm waiting for the asteroid to move. And I'm shooting. Let's see. Here we go. I shot, and I missed the piggy, but it sort of got it. So this is really cool. I mean, this is a way to run apps. I always thought that Apple would do this with Macs, allow the iOS apps to run. I think this is going to put pressure on Apple to have iOS apps running on the Mac. But the beauty is here you can now use Android apps. This is not made by Google. This is made by a third party, and it's called BlueStacks. Just Google it, and you can download the free beta version here. So this was Angry Birds. And look, you can, you've got all the settings. It's like a real Android Angry Birds app, and it's running on my Mac. So let's see, I downloaded another app. Let me see if I can switch to that. Here we're still on Angry Birds, but I'm going to show you the Flipboard app. Here we go, and I downloaded Flipboard, which is a great app for reading news, and I always wanted it on the Mac. And now I can have it on the map, so you can swipe through the cover stories just like you would. It flips, and so it's it's just a really great way. If you like apps, mobile apps, and you want to run it on your Mac, this is a great way to do it. So check it out. It's called BlueStacks. It's a free beta app.